How to change phone number on PayPal. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to change phone number on PayPal. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal application on your device. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you will see many options. From here, tap on personal info. Now here you can see phone numbers. You can see or right here, and you will see the number right here. Tap on number and you will see edit option right here. Tap on edit, and to change your primary number you will need to add new one. Okay, so tap on continue and you can just add your new phone number right here. Okay, once you enter your new phone number, tap on add and just tap on yes. After you do that, your new number will be added. And that's it. This is how easy it is to add a phone number on PayPal. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.